Mālō e lau mālie a ho eiki mo e lelei ai tonga kotoa pe o kumo mea mai I he ahoni. Welcome to day 5 of our Pukepuke o Tonga challenge. Oh, it's so exciting. We're so proud of all of you who've been a part of this challenge, and we just can't wait to see what you guys come up with next. Koe ka venga o taoni, koe whakakoloa o Aotearoa, aki ai ako lele. Enriching Aotearoa with holistic education. The theme for our task today is Who Am I? Go hai yao. Here is an example of your task today. Draw a picture of yourself in the center and draw other pictures around it that make you happy or things that you like. You can also add Tongan labels to it to show us what makes you who you are. Once you're done, send us through a picture and a video with your introduction. We can't wait to see all your entries and the pictures of what makes you who you are. O whake mo ma'u hawike lea whakatonga fia fia. Pukepuke o Tonga, ka koe moao.